जागतिक योग दिसा निमतान सद्गुरू योग गुरुकुल केंद्रीय आयुष मंत्रालयाच्या जोडपालवान योग दीस मनयतले। ही कार्यावळ नेवऱ्या ग्रामपंचायतीच्या सभाघरांत जातली। ह्या सुवाळ्याक वीज मंत्री मडकयकार, सांत आंद्रेचे आमदार फ्रांसिस सिल्वेरा, थळावे सरपंच उपसरपंच आनी हेर मानेस हजर आसतले। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
विशेष असा या वर्षी आंतरराष्ट्रीय योग दिवस हा तृतीय आंतरराष्ट्रीय योग दिवस भारत सरकार आयुष मंत्रालयातर्फे साजरा होत आहे आणि त्याचप्रमाणे या संप्रदायाच्या माध्यमातून सुद्धा संप्रदायातर्फे म्हणजे सद्गुरू योग गुरुकुलच्या वतीने मोठ्या प्रमाणात गोव्यामध्ये होणार आहे।
This year on the occasion of International Day of Yoga, that is on 21st June 2017, Sadhguru Yoga Gurukul has decided to conduct yoga sessions at more than 100 places in Goa itself. We are having almost 105 places in Goa where we are going to conduct yoga sessions. Apart from this, we have already conducted many free yoga camps in different parts of Goa for 15 days. And since it is the 25 years of glorious years of Sri Kshetra Tapobhumi Gurupeeth, we are making it like we are taking it to the maximum people, and not just in the villages and cities, but different public places like railway stations, Raj Bhavan, which is the supreme institution of Goa, Governor's Palace. Then we are going to the shopping malls where the maximum youth or maximum people come as a shopping attraction. Then we are going to railway station, bus stands, and every place which can be utilized, maybe at a 5-star hotel or a temple or other religious institutions. The yoga is going to every corner of Goa as well as parts of Maharashtra and Karnataka. So I would request all the people from Goa to participate, and I invite personally to all on behalf of Sadhguru Yoga Gurukul to come take part in yoga sessions and be healthy. The motto of our institution, Sadhguru Yoga Gurukul, is to create a stress-free, healthy and happy world.